Doing a quick before video on this duplex that we just closed on last week. Needs a fair amount of work. Just doing some fun videos for Facebook here. A little miniature HGTV. I need a whole new roof. Gonna get to the studs in some places inside. New fixtures and sockets and switches and all that good stuff everywhere. New flooring. Nice little covered porch. Ripping out the carpet in here. We'll just do some deck paint. There's some pretty nasty carpet in here. We just got done ripping all that out, and we're gonna do some laminate hardwood. It seems like this floor might be a little too far gone to save, and the floors in the other rooms are even more questionable. New paint and all the little knick-knacky stuff everywhere. Really love the kitchen in this property. Really big kitchen. Nice new countertop and cabinets. We'll throw a new light fixture in there. These were just unfinished cabinets, and so we're just going to do some wood enamel on those. Run all new laminate flooring all the way through all the rooms here. So we'll have one nice new flooring. There's about 7 different kinds of flooring in here when we bought it. We put new door handles on everything. Run the laminate in through here. New light fixture. Totally rip out this drop ceiling and replace it. Need to put some new glass in. The mortgage asset management company just screwed on some Lexan to a few different windows that were broken. I think these appliances are probably good. Maybe get some new ones upstairs though. We're going to do quite a bit in this bathroom. Looks like we've already done quite a bit. So there's a pretty crazy hodgepodge of many vintages of bathroom finishes here. So we ripped out all this cabinetry, vanity sink, mirror, all that stuff. We'll put in all new, throw in a new toilet. This tub, I think, actually is just going to clean up pretty nice. This is a newer tub and surround. Put in some new base trim or something like that. I think this will be pretty good. This is a duplex property, and so they both have common access to the basement. For the laundry, I really like all of our units to have on-site laundry. I think you get a much higher class tenant with that. So we're going to do a big whitewash down here, bring in really big light fixtures, just like with the rest of the house, and really clean this place up, make it less of a scary basement. And we'll keep doing the whitewash in here. I think I'm going to block this off and make this kind of a dedicated area for the main floor unit, so they can store their lawnmower and stuff. Yeah, big scary basement. There's a bunch of trash you can't really see over there that we need to get rid of. Get this workbench out of here. I'm gonna leave this closet area in. Lots of useful space here. But a really nice basement. I really like how they subdivided this duplex so that both units have access to that laundry. Sometimes these duplex hack jobs where they chop a house in two are just not very good. But this one I really like. So more roofing back here. You can see the roof is just destroyed. This deck I was really worried about, but it's actually pretty stout. Not the least bit rickety. Feels pretty safe. We're going to put all new siding on this back addition area. So we'll keep the original stucco, which I think is going to give it some nice character, and then get rid of this nasty siding. They really didn't keep up on the drainage problem, and so a lot of the siding is just gone. So we'll put some vinyl siding in there, some Tyvek wrap, and that'll knock out the moisture problem. Go upstairs to the second unit here. We'll put some grip tape down on these stairs. Oh wow, they've done a bunch of demo up here too. Awesome. It's always so easy and exciting. The first couple days of the rehab, so much easier to rip things apart than put them together. But some really nice hardwood floors in here that we're definitely going to be able to save. So I'm super excited about that. And then this one over here too. Should be a really easy refinish job. So these used to be upstairs bedrooms. So now this is kind of the living room. This is a 1-bedroom unit. And then this was the stairwell over here. And the original bathroom is on the other side of that wall. And they've put in like a kitchen unit here. So we're demoing out all the flooring. Going to put in the same laminate hardwood here. Hopefully, I'm going to do another dark stain on the floor. So hopefully it doesn't look too silly next to each other. And took down this plaster just was falling to pieces. So we took this down, put in a piece of sheetrock there. Redo all of this, take down all this paper, paint the cabinets, put in new poles. We're going to put in a new countertop there. Should be a really nice kitchen. It's kind of got a weird layout. I moved the fridge over here to get it out of the way, but this is, the dining area. Maybe we'll find a smaller fridge. Should be able to fit a full-size stove in here, so we'll see. And then the bathroom was pretty interesting. So we've got the pipes there for the tub. Well, I just noticed they don't have shutoff valves. That might be a problem. We're about to turn the water on here for the first time in years. So we're going to rip everything out here. Always make sure we leave one functioning toilet at any time on a property, though. Rip out the vanity and mirror, light fixture, everything. Do all new in here. We're going to figure out a way to get a stand-up shower into that corner. Really make it look a lot less scary in here. So hopefully that looks awesome when we get done with it. So this is day 1 of the rehab. Always really exciting these first few days when you start seeing things transforming in a hurry. And I'll keep you updated.